Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, when I recorded this video, it was July 27th, and it was the same day it was installed. I didn't realize the footage came out like this because I wasn't planning on making a video because it was going to be so short, and I didn't review the footage. I'm sorry, guys, that was my fault, but let's get back to the video. As you can see, look at this box, bro. Like, I opened it a little bit, but I haven't opened the whole thing. By the title, you're probably going to see what it is. I finally dropped the money on tape. What's good? Welcome back to another video. Just want to say, how are y'all doing? Remember how I told you how my brother picked up a 350Z? Well, guess what he just picked up? Like stickers and stuff. Yeah, these are all the clamps. I think we might be missing a clamp, no cap. Hold on. Yes, sir. Well, we just installed my brother's Tomei. Yo, although you did a good job buying this shit, bro. Even though I helped you, bro. Like, this shit is not. It just, or just listen, guys. Just listen. Oh, shit, it's hard as fuck. Alright.
come outside. All right, bye.
Yo.